Understanding job cuts in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase used in the world of work and business: job cuts. If you've been following international news or reading newspapers, you might have come across this term. But what does it mean? Let's find out together. Job is a word many of you might already know. It refers to the work that someone does regularly to earn money. A cut, in general, means to reduce something. When we put these two words together, it might sound like someone is reducing work, right? But there's a more specific meaning to it. Job cuts refers to the reduction of jobs available within a company or organization. This often happens when a company wants to save money or is facing financial challenges. It means that some employees will no longer have their positions and will have to leave the company. Understanding a phrase is one thing, but knowing how to use it in a sentence can make it clearer. Here are some example sentences. 1. Due to the recent economic downturn, many companies are announcing job cuts. 2. The tech industry has been stable, but some firms still made job cuts last year. 3. She lost her job last month because of the job cuts at her company. There are other ways people express the same idea. Here are some synonyms for job cuts: layoffs, staff reductions, redundancies, commonly used in British English. Using any of these phrases will convey a similar meaning. For instance, the company is planning a series of layoffs next month. There you have it. Job cuts is a term used to describe the reduction of jobs within a company or organization. Understanding this phrase and its synonyms will help you better navigate news and conversations about the business world. We hope this video has shed light on job cuts for you. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.